Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how you can put any soundtrack as your ringtone, like in usual Android One and Nexus devices. You might not find a option for putting your own like phone ringtone. So actually, if you press phone ringtone, this will pop up and it will not ask you for any custom sound. So it's pretty easy. You just have to go to Play Store and download a file manager known as ES File Explorer. I've already installed it. I'll show you. Just search ES and the thing will pop up, and you click on it, install. When you open it, it will ask you want to I don't like the floating button, but if you want you can keep it on. Start that. You have to click on your external, so wherever you have to find, you just have to maneuver to the file. From there, scroll down to the place where you have the file, like I have over here. Then you just there's the file. Okay, press on the file, select more, and you say sorry, you just select it. You should select a ES. So we're back. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but there was just a minor problem. So you just have to select an iPhone or whatever your business, then you say ES Chromecast player or whatever ES music player. If you want to say this, then you say cancel. This three-dot menu on the top right, and select set ringtone. Cancel. I'm gonna set as my ringtone. So that's done. So that's all for this video. Next video, what topic you want, you can tell me in the description. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel, like and comment below. Peace.